In this video, I'll show you how to navigate within the MindTap e-reader, the ultimate organizational and study tool. The reader has quite a number of features to help you focus on learning, including an inline glossary, simple navigation via links, page-by-page turning using the left and right arrows, and the skimmer feature at the bottom of the page that will help you navigate to a specific page within the reading. You can create highlights in the ebook by simply clicking and dragging on the relevant text. When you lift up on your cursor, you are given a list of color choices to use for your highlights. You can do the same process to add a note. Highlight over the text, release your cursor, click on Add Note, type in your note, click Save, and then a sticky note will appear. You can bookmark your page in the MindTap e-reader by clicking on the ribbon icon in the upper right-hand corner. This helps you to easily find where you left off in your reading. Need to create a flashcard for study purposes? No problem. Again, highlight over the relevant text, lift up on that cursor, click Add Flashcard, and type in your key term. Click Save, and now your term will be added to the deck of cards. If you don't have time to skim an entire chapter to find a specific topic for review, just click on the Search app. Type in your topic, and the Search app will take you right where you need to be. In addition to interactive elements such as videos, assessments, and content shared by your instructor, there are several features that will help you locate and learn the material faster. Popular with students who benefit from hearing the material, as well as all of you multitaskers out there, with the Read Speak feature, you can sit back and have the material read to you. You can do this by clicking on the Read Speak icon at the top of the page, and the entire page will be read out loud to you. Or you can highlight over a sentence, paragraph, or even just a word and have the text read out loud.
Developing a personal professional disclosure statement has several benefits.
You have the option of changing the speed of the reader as well as the gender by clicking on the Read Speak icon in the app dock. For students on the go, print the MindTap reader material and take it with you. The print icon is found in the upper right-hand corner of the reader. Click the icon and print preview appears, and then go ahead and just click the print icon again. Need a dictionary but don't have one handy? Not a problem. MindTap has a Merriam-Webster dictionary built right in. Highlight over the word in question, release the cursor, click the dictionary, and the app opens up on the right-hand side, right to that word that was questionable. All of these features allow you to hone in on the important information for future exams. All of your personalized highlights and notes are even organized and available for review within the Study Hub app in the app dock. The MindTap e-reader is going to help you grasp your course concepts more efficiently than ever.